I'm going to let you know how to make a Vlookup using Python like Excel. Okay, first of all, this is our data. Table 1, table 2. So this animal and speed, this animal and weight price. I assume you knew already about Vlookup in Excel. So first of all, okay, move to Python's. Okay, I using this data and I need to upload this data into Python. Run. So first table this one. See, second one this one. This is same one. This df1, and I make. Okay, I will run first one. I want to make a Vlookup with whole columns like this. It's using merge data1, data 2 with the left join and on animal. See, like this. Okay, this is a key table, this reference table. So this is key table reference value. So you can get data like this. See, same one. But sometimes we need to replace NA with 0 like this. We use if statements in Excel, but you can do same thing in Python using Pella NA. Okay, see NAA and run change to 0 using the Pella fill NA. So move it to make a program of a Vlookup with a certain column. Sometimes you need to get certain column rather than whole columns. So like this. We just want to know price rather than weight. So you can do like this using Excel. Like this. Here. So in this case, like this. df using merge, and this same animal is same as animal of on statement, and then this target column names. In this case, price is target, so I put price, and then this is learn, and then you consider like this. You just get price from the reference table. So you can see the NaN as well. So we need to replace NaA with 0 using fill NA. After learning this one, result is changed like this. This is you can get same results. Okay, that is today my lesson.